Hello friends, in this section we will learn about data structures. Then first point is what is data structures? The data structure is a systematic way to organize data in order to use it efficiently. Or another definition is data structure is a logical or mathematical model of data organization in a computer. It's called as data structures. So it is a data is organized in a computer system in a particular structures to use it efficiently. So there is a two types of data structures in computer science, that is a linear and second is a non-linear. The linear data structures are those data structures which are organized linearly, so it's called as linear data structures. And second types is a non-linear data structures is a data stored in a non-linear format. So these two types of data structure mostly used in a computer science. So we see the types of linear or non-linear data structures, which are which data structures are linear or which are non-linear. So we see the types of data structures. Data structures here in diagram there is show that data structure are divided into mainly two types, linear or non-linear. Linear data structures are arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. These are the linear data structures. And non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. These are two non-linear data structures. So we see these data structures in next lectures. So after that we see the basic terminology which are required for data structures. For understanding data structures, we must know the basic terminology of data structures. The first is data. Then what is data? Data are values or set of values, or it is simply values. For example, student names or roll numbers or set of roll numbers is called as data. So second is a data items. Data items, what is data items? Data items refers to the single unit of values. This is a single unit of values or single unit of data. So for example, single roll number value is called as data items. Or what is data? Data is a collection of roll numbers, it's called as data, and data items is a single roll number, is called as data items. So next is a group items. Group item is a type of data items. Data items is divided into two types. First is the group items and second is the elementary items. Group items are those atoms which are divided into subatoms. For example, student name. Student name is a group atoms because student name is divided into subatoms. For example, first name, first name, first name, middle name, and last name. So it is a group atoms. This is the examples. Then elementary atoms. Then what is elementary atoms? It is opposite to group atoms. The data items that cannot be divided is called as elementary atoms. So for example, here I write, for example, roll number is a elementary atoms because roll number is not divided into subatoms. Then attribute and entity. An entity is that which contains certain attributes or properties which may assign values, is called as entity. For example, student is an entity which has properties or attributes. Properties is name, address, roll number, contact number is the attributes of entity student. So student is entity and name, address, roll number and contact number is the attributes or properties of that entity. And attribute has values. For example, name attributes has the value Raj. Okay. Address has the value Pune. Roll number attributes has the value 01 and contact number has the value something that. Okay, this is the example of attribute and entity. So next point is entity set. In what is entity set? Entities of similar attributes form an entity set, or it is a collection of entities is called as entity set. For example, employees of organizations, all employees of organization is called as entity set. Next is field. What is field? Field is a single elementary unit of information representing an attribute of an entity. Okay, is called as field. Then next is records. Field is also called as columns. Column means field because it represent or it store the one type of informations. So it's called as field or single elementary unit. So next point is record. And record is a collection of fields values of a given entity, and also record is called as a row in a table. So record is a collection of fields values or of a given entities, so it's called as records. And next is a file. What is files? File is a collection of records of the entities in a given entity set is called as files. These are the basic terminology of data structures, that is data atoms, group atoms, elementary atoms, attributes and entities to entity set, field, record and files. Thank you and subscribe our channel Logic Computer Institute for more videos.